Boom, we're back, part 3. See what's coming on next. Just jumping through songs. Jumping through songs.
Welcome to hell. Who gives a shit?
That song was saying something, bro. That's gonna be one of my demo tracks.
days, so we're heading full speed in the lane, still getting it. 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 Yeah, out here we're still getting it. More food, more love, still getting it. Begging fan rapping like that, still getting it. Getting it, sound like the best, still getting it. Yeah, out here we're still getting it. 10 years deep in the game, still getting it. Begging fan rapping like that, still getting it. So we're heading full speed in the lane, still getting it. So we're heading full speed in the lane, still getting it, 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 getting it.
Breakdown. Kick ass.
Generation's music will be will have a synthesis of those two elements and some third thing that'll be entire. Maybe it'll be it might rely heavily on electronics, tapes. I can kind of envision maybe one person with a lot of machines, tapes, electronic setups, singing or speaking and using machines.
That's all right.
12 minutes. 12 minutes again? I think I'm gonna get one more in. Then I'm gonna talk for a minute. One more. for a minute. Hey, y'all. These things are making a statement, bro. Aren't they, Dre?
Of course.
Dre's sitting there not saying nothing. These things are clean. The sound is clean, too. Like, it's that real sharp. Since my box is mostly punchy, it's always been mostly punchy because I like lows only to a certain extent. Okay? But I like that hard, clean punch. You know what I mean? Because that punch gets up in your back, in your throat, down in the ass cheeks. You know what I mean? It gets down in there. You know, so I like that punch. But these speakers are clean, bro. They're clean and sharp. You know what I mean? Clean and sharp. You probably only can see half of my head because how this phone is angled and this thing is in the damn way. But anyway, I might start doing my demos this way because you can see more of the speakers. But anyway, yeah, it's just, I'm impressed with these, man. I'm probably gonna do like one more 2 or 3 song set. And yeah, I like I'm gonna tell y'all why I like dubstep too, for you dubstep haters, man. I mean, everybody don't like every genre of music. Some people don't like jazz, some people don't like rap, some people don't like R&B, some people don't like heavy metal, some people don't like rock and roll. But you see, back in my time, before there was BET, there was MTV. When I was in a junior in high school, when we first got cable in Pittsburgh, there was no BET. So we listened to MTV. You know what I mean? And even though I lived in the hood and I listened to rap, since rap first came out, since Rapper's Delight was first dropped, and every rapper after that that a lot of y'all don't know about. See, a lot of y'all young bucks, bro, y'all be thanking the OGs, because if it wasn't for them, you wouldn't be listening to the rappers that you're listening to, period. That's the first thing. Secondly, I'm pretty versatile when it comes to music. So you know how them white kids out there like rap. Well, I like some rock and roll. I like some heavy metal. You know what I mean? I like different kinds of music. Because like I said, I was watching MTV before BET even came around, when it was like Pat Benatar and Bruce Springsteen and Flocking the Seagulls and cats like that you didn't even know I knew about. I was listening to that kind of stuff. So this dubstep music, the reason why I like it is because it's different. I like the samples. I like the samples they have in it, and the different bass notes that they hit. They hit different kind of bass notes all the time. That's why I like dubstep, because it's different in some of the beats. I don't like all dubstep. I like Skrillex. I like Dat Sick. I like Keys and Crates. I like Minesweeper. I like, there's certain Zomboy. There's certain guys that I like, that their stuff drops and the beats are nice. You know what I mean? So the last time I was on YouTube and I was playing Redman rapping to a dubstep beat by Dat Sick called Monster. Someone came up on there and was like, I'm up on here to learn. Well, learn because I have a lot to teach you. But I may not be playing the music that you like. I may not be playing what you want to hear. I play what I want to hear in my vehicle. But when I'm demoing for people like Dre, he has no complaints about what I play. And none of the other people who I demo for. So, you know, like I said, I like dubstep because it's different. And a friend of mine turned me on to dubstep like maybe 5 years ago. One of my boys, Adam Fisher. And the first track that I liked was what's his name? 2 Chainz. 2 Chainz was rapping to a Skrillex beat called Free Breeze. And I'm really not a 2 Chainz fan, but he was tearing that track up and that beat was hot. It was called Free Breeze. And then I was hearing some more stuff that Adam was playing in his car. Finally, I was like, who is this? He was like, that's Skrillex. So he lent me like 5 CDs, And I went home and I was going through them and I was feeling them. You know what I mean? So I personally like dubstep. So, and I never tell nobody what to play in their vehicle. And a lot of that rebase stuff that I'm hearing by DJ Rusticles and guys like that, I'm hearing a lot of that, seeing it on Parker the Bass hitting me one now. Mostly Jacob Varro when he's at these competitions, and I like the stuff. I'm gonna start collecting a lot of that, but they're rebasing a lot of the stuff that we used to listen to back in the late 80s and early 90s. So I'm gonna start collecting it because it's rebased and see what it's like in here. But the bass music, the electronic bass music like Tech Master PEB and the Bass Patrol with DJ Fury and DJ Magic Mike and all them guys, I was listening to them back when I was running Kicker Free airs. That's all old news to me. And I have all of that stuff. I have all of that. You know, one day I'm going to drive around and play that for y'all.
23.
Yeah, because we got some dubstep haters, and I don't care what you don't like. You know what I mean? Y'all need to quit coming up on people's posts talking about what you don't like. And then some of y'all will say something good just to say something bad, because what you really wanted to do is say something bad. So you'll throw something small and good. And the last guy was like, yeah, I come up to learn something. Yeah, you will learn something on all my videos because I'm an OG. Feel that? And I've been listening to music and bassing forever. Especially with 755 trophy wins in, and I'm going to be winning me some this year. But to the rest of y'all, I'm going to do another demo. I'm going to shut this off and do another few songs, and then I should have like 4 demos of three or more songs. All right, Soda Pop Kid, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.